Welcome back, guys. Saturday morning, and this has arrived. It is the Zipper HB204. I unboxed it. You didn't miss anything. I've just put this fence on, angled fence, 2 bolts, and I'm going to continue now to set it up and give it a try. Instructions are here. Dust collection came as a separate part. That's about it really. The fence, the dust collection. The only thing to note is it's obviously a European plug with a UK adapter. Not really a problem. Looks like a good solid adapter. So I'm going to read through the first few pages and try and film as I go. So if anyone else is thinking of getting one, my thoughts were it was £500 for the DeWalt, which is the one I wanted, but just too much, and that was thicknesser only. So having both, I think for what I want to do, which is chopping boards, and also I've got some recycled mahogany that will fit perfectly. So for the limited amount of width I'm going to use, I think it's better to get both rather than be stuck with one and have to make a jig for it and stuff. But we'll see how well this works. It doesn't seem, when I went online, there wasn't really any there wasn't a lot of people reviewing them. It was very hard to get hold of anything, to be honest, as far as thicknesser jointer is concerned. At the moment, it just seemed like everyone was out of stock. So I sort of plunged for this one, which I think is something like 280. I'll put the link and the price in the description, but I think it was a good compromise. But of course I haven't used it yet, so we'll see. Also comes with a spare belt and spare blades, and that's it. There's nothing really complicated in the box. No pack of hundreds of screws. But then I haven't started yet, so we'll see how that goes in the next sort of half hour. So I'll try and film in sections so that if you're doing the same, then hopefully that'll save you some time, and then we'll try it at the end and see how we go. And make some noise and some dust to put in our coffee. So see you on the next clip.